So, who is TJ Walker? Well, that's me. I'm not a clone, I'm a real person. And for many decades, I have coached people all over the globe on how to improve personal development skills, life skills, and communication skills. I have more than 2 million online students from virtually every country in the world who've taken my personal development, life coaching, and communication skills courses. And I've trained people one on one in small groups in person in more than 45 nations around the globe. I've written half a dozen books on personal development and communication skills, and I've personally trained presidents of countries, prime ministers, Nobel Peace Prize winners, members of parliament, celebrity athletes, and people just like you in virtually every industry. Some of my books have become bestsellers, and I'm even in the Guinness Book of World Records for most talk show appearances ever in a 24-hour period. So I come at this from a wide range of communication skills, trainings, practices, workshops, seminars, books, courses, to give you my expertise. So that is who I am. I really appreciate you stopping by to find out.